Hello everyone, I'm Divya Rusani, a student of class 12 currently studying from Aakash Institute, Haldwani. I have opted for engineering course. In this pandemic situation, Aakash Institute helped me a lot in my studies. The teachers here are very understanding and supportive and help in making all doubts clear. In between the classes, the teachers also motivate us to do our best. The modules and the iTutor app provided us are also very helpful. We are also provided with DPPs which we solve daily after a fixed topic is completed, and the test series is also provided to us as per the schedule is given to us. The way the teachers interact with students, making learning so interesting and explaining was outstanding. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.